It has been several months that construction works of a potash-magnesium mine are held in Berezniki in the Perm region. Delmenhanyl-Shakhdostroy fulfills the order of Uralkali, one of the biggest companies in Russia. Why Delmenhanyl-Shakhdostroy? It's just the only company that is able to perform the construction of shafts in complex hydrogeological conditions. In Verkhnekhamskaya potash-magnesium deposit where the mine is constructed is evaluated as a territory of complex conditions. It should be noted that Delmenhanyl-Shakhdostroy is a component group of Red Path concern. It is a huge concern that has an annual turnover of over $1 billion and is representative of offices, branches, divisions on all 5 continents of the world. We are regarded as a component part of such a big organization, and we invite our Russian colleagues to take part in other projects realized all over the world by Red Path Holding. Potash Magnesium Mine in Berezniki is the very first pilot project of Delmenhanyl-Shakhdostroy in Russia. Now the company is working on this project's first stage of construction, but by now the works are already ahead of the agreed schedule. According to the schedule and the terms of the contract with Uralkali, the terms of handing over the construction objects ready for service are the following. For the first and the second mine shaft, May 2017, precisely 5 years from the start of construction. By now, we expect to withstand the term, to maintain the schedule, and we managed to do that. Now we're even going a couple of days ahead of schedule and will probably complete the project before the planned term. Well, let's look at what happened at the construction site since our last visit. The foundation pit number 1, called Skip Foundation Pit, is ready. Inside the pit, there is the protective structure, slurry wall, for the future shaft sinking, and the construction of the drilling site for drilling of freeze wells comes to its end. In the next 2 weeks, the drilling of the freeze wells will start, and the construction site will remain in this condition till the end of March to the beginning of April next year. We'll be drilling the wells for more than 8 months. The drilling will be executed by 2 drilling rigs. With application of these rigs, 7 wells will be drilled every month. In total, 50 wells are needed for the construction of the mine. All the 50 wells will be placed around the shaft for making the ice rock massive. They will prevent the ingress of the water of the aquifers into the shaft during the sinking. At the moment, the special pipes are brought to the construction site. They will be used in mounting of freezing columns after the well is drilled. Inside those pipes will circulate a cooling agent that freezes the surrounding soil.
Будет пробурена скважина, после этого будут трубы эти собраны в колонну, опущены.
A well will be drilled. After that, the pipes will be assembled into a column and will be put down into the freezing well, molded for 2 hours under the pressure of 6 megapascals, checked for leaks. After the column is checked for leaks, it's considered ready for use. Only after all the wells are drilled and all the pipes are down in a column will the pipes be connected in one system and the cooling agent will circulate through. The length of a pipe is 10 meters. In every well, about 24 to 25 pipes are used. In total, Delmenhanyl-Shakhdostroy will use 25 kilometers of the pipes for the construction of the mine. At the cage shaft in the foundation pit number 2, the construction of the slurry well is coming to its end. The wall will be a protective construction while sinking the foreshaft of the future shaft. After the mobilization of the drilling rig is over, the company Daumen-Handelschlag started the drilling of the freeze wells in the foundation pit of the future skip shaft. Very soon, the freezing columns will be mounted inside the wells.
На втором стволе в данный момент происходит у нас.
At the second shaft, we construct the headgear foundation pits and start making the freeze cellar. First the foundation pit, then the headgear foundation pits, and then the freeze cellar and a drilling site for drilling of freeze wells around the cage shaft.
Бурение замораживающих скважин вокруг третьего ствола.
The story of construction of the second foundation pit repeats the story of the first one. They have a similar design. They only have different functionality.
На первом будет выдача полезного ископаемого на поверхность.
The first one is for delivering the raw materials to the surface. The second one is for the mine maintenance. At the first shaft, there will be a supply of fresh air. At the second one, there will be an outgoing stream.
Исходящая струя рудника.
Apart from the changes at the first and the second foundation pits, there are changes in the construction of administration blocks of Daumen-Handelschlag Company. At the moment, in the north part of the site, the construction of the foundation for the future administration building complex comes to its end. Quite soon, frame building constructions will be delivered here and the construction process will start. Construction of the freeze wells is hard work. Freezing stations require minimal deviation from the set parameters. The vertical position of the well should be ensured. This is an important condition, and a triple control is required to follow this condition. The company Daumen-Handelschlag uses special tools like ergonometer that allows measuring with accuracy within half a degree. Any deviation may affect the terms of construction and sinking of shaft.